What is happening? From inspiring donations to landmark legal battles, and from athletic triumphs to gridiron drama, ScoopNow is bringing you the stories that matter. Get ready, because we've got it all, and you won't want to miss a second. First up, a former Notre Dame football player, Davis Sherwood, is making waves off the field with a massive $10,000 donation to the Boys and Girls Club of the Northern Indiana Corridor, proving that giving back is always in season. Then, we're heading to the Supreme Court, where a pivotal decision is being made regarding transgender student rights in schools, as a transgender boy in South Carolina is allowed to use the boys' restroom while his case proceeds. And in sports, get ready for some serious speed as the Summit High School cross-country team, led by McDonald and Kayla Broecker, absolutely crushed it at the Liberty Bell Invitational, with the boys taking second place. Plus, we're diving into the high-stakes world of the NFL with a look at the Dallas Cowboys roster battles and predictions. Stay locked in and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Former Notre Dame player inspires youth with generous donation. In a heartwarming display of community spirit, former Notre Dame football player Davis Sherwood has donated a remarkable $10,000 to the Boys and Girls Club of the Northern Indiana Corridor. Sherwood, author of What Would Woody Do?, visited the club to read to kids, answer their questions, and share his journey. This significant contribution comes directly from the proceeds of his book, a testament to his commitment to giving back to the community that supported him. Sherwood emphasized the importance of hard work and perseverance, encouraging the young attendees to pursue their dreams, no matter the challenges. His own story is far from over, as he prepares for NFL tryouts, aiming to further inspire by demonstrating that dedication can lead to extraordinary achievements. The impact of Sherwood's generosity is already being felt, with local youth expressing gratitude and excitement for the opportunities this donation will provide. Analysts are calling it a powerful example of athletic success translating into meaningful community investment. Don't go anywhere, because the fight for equality is heating up in the halls of justice. Next, we're breaking down a landmark Supreme Court ruling that could reshape student rights across the nation. Supreme Court rules on trans students' bathroom access. In a significant procedural decision, the U.S. Supreme Court has denied South Carolina's emergency request to enforce its bathroom ban, allowing a transgender boy to continue using the boys' restroom at his high school while his legal challenge moves forward. This ruling comes amidst a complex legal landscape influenced by recent Trump administration actions and previous court decisions. The Supreme Court stressed that its denial was procedural, not a judgment on the merits of the case, stating that South Carolina had not met the stringent requirements for an emergency injunction. The decision leaves intact a Fourth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals ruling from 2020, which found categorical bans on transgender students' restroom use to be discriminatory, a precedent set by the Gavin Grimm case. While South Carolina Attorney General Alan Wilson called the decision a temporary setback, attorneys for the student, identified as John Doe, praised the court's order, asserting that transgender students are not emergencies or threats. The case highlights the ongoing legal battles surrounding transgender rights in schools, with the Supreme Court's future decisions expected to set new precedents. But that's not all the legal drama we're covering today. Get ready for a deep dive into athletic excellence as we celebrate some incredible performances on the track and the field. Summit Cross Country dominates Liberty Bell Invitational. Get ready for some serious speed. The Summit High School cross-country team showcased their incredible talent at the highly competitive Liberty Bell Invitational, with both the boys and girls teams making a massive statement. The boys team, led by the phenomenal junior McDonald, snagged an impressive second-place finish in a stacked field. McDonald blazed through the course, breaking a school record with a time of 14 minutes, 39.8 seconds, and narrowly missing first place. He wasn't alone. 6 other Tigers also set personal bests, highlighting the team's depth and dedication. Lucas Remakes, Carter Niemkiewicz, Owen Fallon, Johnny Ryan, Kane Steinweg, and Crosby Hume all pushed their limits, contributing to the team's outstanding performance. On the girls' side, freshman phenom Kayla Broecker led the charge, finishing an incredible 11th overall in her first high school 5K and setting a new freshman record for Summit. Sophomores Sophie Dintz, juniors Lily Benbow and Mila Pfaff, and freshman Lee Noble also achieved personal bests, demonstrating the bright future of the girls' program. The Summit girls also secured the top 4A team spot. Fans and analysts are buzzing about Summit's dominant showing, with many predicting strong performances at upcoming state and regional meets. The team's hard work over the summer is clearly paying off, setting a high bar for the rest of the season. But the action doesn't stop on the cross-country course. We're shifting gears to the gridiron for some intense NFL analysis, focusing on the Dallas Cowboys' biggest challenges and predictions. Cowboys roster battles and NFL predictions. Football fans, get ready for a deep dive into America's team. The Dallas Cowboys are facing critical roster battles and tough predictions as the NFL season kicks into high gear. With key players facing injuries and new strategies emerging, the pressure is on to see if the Cowboys can endure and contend in a fierce NFC landscape. The discussion centers on the team's ability to withstand the loss of key players like Deron Bland, and how the offensive and defensive lines will perform against formidable opponents. Analysts are scrutinizing Dak Prescott's ability to find open receivers against aggressive defensive fronts and the team's reliance on playmakers like C.D. Lamb. The team's performance against rivals like the Giants and Eagles is under the microscope, with questions lingering about their consistency and ability to make crucial plays in high-stakes games. Fans are weighing in on everything from contract negotiations and player development to specific game strategies and potential trades. The energy is high as the Cowboys navigate preseason challenges and prepare for the regular season, with predictions ranging from Super Bowl aspirations to concerns about repeating past mistakes. Every snap, every play, and every decision is being analyzed as the team aims for glory. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all your breaking news and exclusive updates. That's all the scoop you need for today. We saw Davis Sherwood's incredible $10,000 donation to the Boys and Girls Club, the Supreme Court's landmark ruling on trans student bathroom access, the Summit cross-country team's dominant performance at the Liberty Bell Invitational, and we dove deep into the Dallas Cowboys NFL season outlook. Don't miss out on future updates. Like this video, subscribe to ScoopNow, ring that notification bell, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Plus, follow us on all social media platforms for even more exclusive content.